everybody, welcome back to English with Chanroth. For today's lesson, let's take a look at the most common ways that we use run in daily life. Keep in mind that run is an irregular verb, and the three forms are run, ran, and run. Today we'll cover certain meanings for run, as well as some common phrasal verbs. I think everyone is familiar with the basic meaning of run, which is to go fast by moving your legs quickly. For example, run a race or marathon. You can say, she's training to run a marathon next month. Okay, let's look at another definition of run, and that is to manage something. Usually managing a business, company, a campaign, or an operation. For example, have you ever thought about running your own business? Another example, it's not easy to run a restaurant, so Mary works 7 days a week. Okay, one more meaning. When talking about liquids, to run means to flow, for the liquid to move in a certain direction. For example, the little girl had tears running down her cheeks. One more example, her nose is running. She needs a tissue. Well, run can also be used in the sense of something stretching or extending from one place to another. For instance, the train tracks run alongside the river. Another example, the National Road number 6 runs from Phnom Penh to Siem Reap. In the area of transportation, we use run for operating on a schedule. For example, the bus runs every hour. One more example, the public transportation never runs on time. Another meaning of run. The word run can also mean continue to operate for a time period. For example, this internship runs from July to September. One more example, the advertising project ran from 2019 to 2020. Well, we also use run and running with machines, especially car engines, as well as computer programs, to mean they are functioning. For example, his car engine runs smoothly. One more example, do you have antivirus software running on your computer? Another use of run in the family, means be consistent among members of a family. If there's a characteristic or a disease that runs in the family, it means that several people in the same family have the same characteristic or disease. Example, the doctor ordered some tests because breast cancer runs in a family. Another example, diabetes runs in a family, so she's extra careful about what she eats. Have you ever heard an expression, run a red light? Run a red light means pass through a red traffic light instead of stopping. This is illegal, and you can get in trouble if the police or a traffic camera catches you running a red light. For example, running a red light is illegal and also dangerous. One more example. Anna got a ticket for running a red light yesterday. The word run is also used in phrasal verbs. If something runs out or if you run out of the item, it means it is all used up and there's no more of it. Example, I've run out of milk. Would you like some creamer instead? Another example, we've nearly run out of paper. Do you think there's enough for today? Next one, to run into someone. To run into someone means to encounter that person by chance. You didn't plan to meet up with them. It was a coincidence. For example, I ran into my friend at the superstore. Another one. The phrasal verb run over is used for when a car hits and drives over something. For example, he ran over a puppy on his way to Siem Reap. Well, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video and think that it's useful, please share it to your friend. Thanks for watching. See ya!